including the following areas in East Central. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes Whitman, Circle City, until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rain that will cause flash flooding. Rainfall amounts in excess of 1 inch have been estimated south of Wickenburg in the last hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Morristown, Whitman, and Circle City. High water may impact portions of Highway 60. Most flood deaths occur in motorized vehicles. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice.